are here, and we're going to stay here and protest until the results of that match are overturned. Therefore, we will stay here all night until the decision is reviewed. Demolition! Gentlemen, welcome back to Blizzard Brawl. You guys are the former, or maybe even current, however you look at it, GLCW Tag Team Champions because you never lost the titles. Welcome back to Blizzard Brawl.
This is always a fantastic event, one of our favorite events. Great crowds, great fans, great competition. We're happy to be back.
Smash, let's talk about it. It has been over 35 years since the birth of Demolition. How does it feel to still be doing this after all these years?
I can't believe we're still here doing this. The fans are unbelievable. First of all, Andrew, I want to show you what's on. All right. Thank you, everyone. It's just been great to be here. Blizzard Brawl is one of the best shows around, and we really enjoy it.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for the legends, shall we say Hall of Fame worthy